As Wolf, you're watching musculardevelopment.com. We are here back in LVC Santa Sahara in Vegas, Nevada. So we're heading back today. Follow us. This is the first exercise. Reverse grip, straight back. Just let the middle and lower back working, and that's it. I don't know, sometimes, you feel right away if something changed, feel just a little bit better, you can see it right away. You feel a little bit, and look healthy in the face, so we'll see. I'll feel better today. I think I need a couple more days and I'll be fine. This dissolution, I cling to memories while falling. Sleep brings release and the hope of a new day, waking the misery. We just moved to the second exercise for back, so we're still in the lower back, middle back area. So really the pull-over machine is a pretty good one. I love to use this. I still improving, I'm still not done with my I have a big frame, so I can put at least 20 more pounds on my frame, or lean muscles, but it's not so easy. But I think it's the overall condition is going to be on another level. Try to be, the same, dryness. You have the same dryness and condition like in the front, the same in the back. So and just want to bring another level. But my back is anyways, getting better every year, or every show, and so that's why I just keep the same workouts, and that's how I improve it. Waking the misery of being without you. Surrender. I give that. Another moment is another eternity. Oh. So this is the next one. This is the hammer strength low roll machine with some help, so you can lay on it, because if you do it this way, you just work on your rear shoulders, rear delts, but many people don't really recognize that. They just do it, without feeling the muscle. So, and I love this exercise. So Jay, now this one is my favorite exercise, this one.
Давай. Хорошо.
Ugh. Aye. All right, the next one is cable pull downs to the chest, or a little bit more under the chest, because I always do that with a straight back. I never lean backwards anymore. And yeah, just, you know, let the back muscles work. That's it.
3, 4, 5, 6. Давай. 7. Хорошо. 8. 9. Еще раз.
All right, another one is the close grip, cable pull downs to the chest. Yeah, just, you know, it's one of the last exercises what we do. Just, you know, the back is already so pumped. Just trying to get more and more blood in it. And yeah, just make it big as possible, you know, that's what we're here in the gym, all right? This is Jack Daniels with some sweetener for the pump. Three more weeks. Can't wait until the show, man. It's gonna be good. The next exercise is sitting, you know, it's not one arm, but it's something different. Yeah, we do this just for, you know, if you go on stage, you try to show your condition. So if you squeeze your back, you see the striations in the back. So, and we try to bring it up with this exercise here. We're at the end of back workout. This is the last one. This exercise is just for the lower back, you know, hyperextension. You know, it's one of my favorites. You know, when getting closer to the show, I don't do deadlifts anymore because, you know, I always have so much luck that I, you know, hurt myself close before the show, and I just feel more contractions this way, so I feel all my lower back, you know, and I can squeeze it as much as I can, you know. This is more controlled exercise. That's why I love it. All right, guys, cool. We're done for today. This is Saturday, 3 weeks out of Mr. Olympia 2012. Yeah, I'm excited. Look very good, I think. Still have power, still have a pump, still have the drive. Yeah, honestly, I can't wait to compete again to Olympia and take a revanche to the other guys from last year, from Arnold. You know, just prove that I, you know, deserve a little bit more, and that's why I'm working for it so hard, and that's why I'm a professional bodybuilder. Just you know, not just want to be one of many. I just want to be one of the best, and I'm working for it, and I have a lot of help in this. You know, my wife, and you know, it's almost too crazy to say it, but you know, she's working harder than me in the last 3 months. You know, cooking and dealing with appearances and stuff like that, emails. You know, because in the last couple of weeks I don't do anything, like just bodybuilding. And you know, I would like to thank Steve Blackman and MuscularDevelopment.com for you know, big support and trusting me. Team BSN, thanks a lot. You know, Spider Bottle, Jack and Stacked, XSL Grips from Germany. I mean, many more. I'm very proud to be part of the sponsors of this team. You know, and you know, I'm really looking to compete, and I'm not gonna be worse than you know, many people think, and I really think it's going to be a big impact this year. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be back soon, tomorrow, and on Monday we're going to do chest. Don't miss it.